Hi Dave, it's Jor-El giving you a little video follow-up here from Audi Winnipeg. Great choice. You selected our 2018 Audi Q5 Comfort. As you can see, it's right here. There's lots more pictures for you to view from. Stock number 246690. Now you had a really good question. What type of features does it have? That's no problem. So it would have the 5-arm turbine design 18-inch all-season tire, as well as all of these features listed in the comfort box right here. It comes with a 252 horsepower engine, 276 pounds of torque, 7-speed S-tronic transmission, and it also comes with this convenience package with the rear view camera, heated wheel, memory for driver's seat and exterior mirrors, front and rear parking sensors, power folding auto dimming mirrors, and your foot activated tailgate. So it does have a lot of great options. So for a comfort, it has the most possible options. Again, this complete box, including the convenience package. You can reach me at 287-5323. I'd love to arrange an appointment and set up a test drive. Again, it's Jor-El from Audi Winnipeg. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.